The tensile strength reports are clear.
The leather grain holds firm under stress.
The cycle test confirms the durability.
Welcome everyone. Today I'll take you inside the frog leather factory Tuabe, where rare exotic skins are transformed.
Laser spectral sensors evaluate polymer elasticity, moisture levels, and surface integrity. Check the tertiary readout against the reference.
Confirmed. Purity levels are optimal. It's verified.
UV sterilization bars sweep across each synthetic sheet in a contamination-free tunnel. Ultrasonic waves vibrate impurities loose, while overhead cameras monitor real-time fiber motion. Stabilization baths lock in grain flexibility and strengthen overall fiber structure.
The stress strain curve looks good. It held consistent.
Yes, the tensile strength is within tolerance. I'll log it now.
Warm lamps encourage slow, even curing that enriches the frog grain texture.
A light preservation mist coats the sheets with ultra-thin protective polymers. Nanosprayers apply a flexible, deep penetration sealant to enhance durability and prevent cracking. UV curing lamps activate instantly, bonding the sealant evenly across the frog grain surface. Impact testing hammers tap the strips lightly to measure resilience and long-term bending performance. Heated smoothing plates glide across each strip, eliminating micro wrinkles and setting surface grain. Automated gloss sprayers create a consistent soft sheen finish across all belt strips. Cooling vents release steady airflow to harden and stabilize the finished outer coating. Shaping clamps lock the belts in place, reinforcing exact geometry before hardware installation.
Reinforcement padding is applied to attachment points to strengthen areas that experience buckle tension.
Fine sanding blocks soften interior fiber edges, prepping them for inner lining adhesion.
A vibration table settles the lining evenly, ensuring smooth contact across the full length.
stainless molds heat press the lining into perfect alignment with the belt's inner curve.
Decorative metal loops are added to the belt ends to enhance luxury appeal.
The tensile strength reports are clear.
The leather grain holds firm under stress.
The cycle test confirms the durability.
A subtle leather-safe fragrance mist coats each belt, giving it a high-end boutique scent.
Each belt is wrapped in protective geometric pattern tissue to preserve surface finish.